So the time for dismantling is coming as 8 hours. Okay, and the cost of dismantling is coming as 6,679. Okay, which is going to be reflected in the abstract. You see 6679. Okay, and for the rest of the items there is no supply of the structural steel or rolled steel or stainless steel. There are 4 number of bronze pads, side seal, top seal and bottom seal. Okay, corner seal. Bolts we are going to supply CSK nut and bolts for the rubber seals, and anchor bars and lifting pin are 0. Screw rod is to be supplied, so it is 2.9. These data are automatically taken. We will only have to change the yellow cells. Okay, suppose the thrust bearing is damaged. Okay, so we may write it as 1, the quantity as 1. Operating handle, there is no need of operating handle, and we have to enter appropriate data in these cells. Okay, since we are not going to erect the emptied parts, so it is coming as 0. Okay, it is taken from here, it is coming as 0. Since it is 453 the weight of the gate lift, so it is 453, and the cost of erection is coming as 25.6. okay, so it is 25.6, and the weight of erection for the hoist bridge is coming as 206, so it is 206, and then there is no need of fabrication for the embedded parts. Okay, it is coming as 0, so this is 0, and there is no need of fabrication for the gate leaf or hoist bridge as well, so it is coming as 0, and just painting. Suppose there are 2 coats of paint we are going to apply. Okay, so it will be 2 coats of black epoxy paint. Okay, 1 coat of primer and 2 coats of black epoxy paint, and on the hoist bridge there is 2 coats of aluminum paint. Okay, if we want to change it to 3, then also it will be reflected here. 1 coat of red oxide primer and 3 coats of black epoxy paint. Okay, so we are not going to write anything. All the data is going to be placed automatically. Here you see the gate size is also automatically taken, and you will see there is no need of writing anything else. Okay, and this is coming as 81,000. We are going to write the rupees in watts. Schedule of date is also prepared, and how many items are there? There are only 18 number of items. Okay, if you hide it here, then you can see the items which you are going to use in our estimate. Okay, 1, 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 18. Okay, so these are the 18 number of items. You can hide this as well. Okay, these the rates in the tender schedule are inclusive of labor cess, GST and overhead charges, and the final amount is 72,394, which we are going to quote in our tender. Okay, this is equal to 72,394, which is without GST. Okay, GST amount is this one, and without GST amount is 72,394. 72,394.38. Okay, so we can write it in words, and we have to change the quantity of items. Okay, so that's it.